My topic is operations on drilling machine. The operations are very important process which is done by use of a different type of the machines. Here I am telling you about the drilling machine operations. The following drilling operations are given below here. Number 1 is drilling, number 2 is reaming, number 3 is countersinking, number 4 is tapping, number 5 is counter boring, and number 6 is spot facing. So drilling process. So you can see this figure. Number 1 is drilling process. So drilling is a process to performing the hole in a solid material by use of a cutting tool. The cutting tool is called the tool bit. The tool bit are coming the category in the multi-point cutting tools. The speed of the drill are generally depends upon the nature of the material and what is your requirement and how to control the finishing on the surface of the workpiece. The drilling is made of the material of the drilling is made of the high speed steel. The composition of the drill, the 18% chromium, 1% vanadium or 0.75% carbon. The drilling is moved in an anti-clockwise direction to remove the metal. The drill can be done blind as well as throughout the workpiece. So here this is a blind hole, the workpiece, tool bit and rotating dice in a clockwise direction. So different type of the availables, different type of the size and two types, generally 2 or 3 types are available in a drill are available in the market. This is the pellet shank type, this is a pellet shank, this is the body of the drill, and this is the flute, this is the body clearance, length and cutting angles. The drill are the second number is taper type. So taper type drilling machine is contain the Morse taper. So Morse taper are written in this form 1 in X, so 1 in 100, 1:100. So 100 ratio means this is the length of 100, 1 mm is height. So write the Morse taper in this way. The drill are used in the market in the 3 types: N type, S type and Z type. So N type is means by the normal material, used for the normal material. S means for the soft material like a cast iron and aluminum. Z means Z type drill are generally used for the hard material. So in a size, the drill are available in a market in a size. A number size 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, ZM, 10 mm, 20 mm, 25.4 mm, now up to the 100 mm diameter are available in a market. Second number is numerically A to Z. Third number is fractionally. Fractionally means 1/32 inch, 1/64 inch or 3/4 inch. They are available in this market drill. Drill. The second number is reaming process. So reaming process is done after the drilling. The reaming is a process to control the actual size, of the drill hole and also control the finishing up to the 0.025 mm. The drill and the reamer are generally 3 types: straight types, number 2 is helical flux type, number 3 is adjustable or expansion type. So this is the straight type reamer are used. Second number is flexible. The helix angle type reamer are used. The angle you will take the 4 to 8 degree. The helix angle. The adjustable reamer are used if you want to increase the diameter, inner diameter of the drill, then you will be used adjustable or expansion type reamers. The reamers are also coming the category in the multi-point cutting tools. The reamers material, the same material, reamers, drilling and reamers, high speed steel. Third number is countersinking. Countersinking is made to increase the upper portion size of the drill, like this. The angle is cut in the taper 70, 82 and 90 degree. This type of the taper are generally used to set the screw. Third number is taping. So after the drilling, you will perform the internal thread. So internal thread can be cut by use of a different tape set. So tape set are available in the market in first number, second number is standard, third number is superfine. So taper type, standard type and super type tape are available in a market. The taper, this type of the taping are used in a both side anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction to make the internal thread. So you will cut the M10 into 1.2 mm thread in this body, in this workpiece. So how to calculate the drill size? How to calculate the drill? What is the requirement of the drill? How to cut the M10 into 1.25? The drill size, you will use this formula to calculate the drill size. Outer diameter minus 2 into depth of thread. So outer diameter means this is the diameter of the tape. Depth of thread is to come here on this figure. This is the British standard width weight thread, BSW. The BSW, the height of the thread, you will take the 0.96 pitch. This is the depth of thread. The depth of thread is a standard form, 0.64 into the pitch. So put the value of depth of thread is here. So 2 into 0.64 into 1.2. Calculate this numerical. So you will find the result 8.5 mm. So it means that the 8.5 mm diameter is required to perform the hole before the taping, to cut the M10 into 1.2 mm, 1.2. This formula are used. Fourth number is counter boring. Fifth number is counter boring. This is the counter boring. This is the tool, counter sinking tool. So it is move in anti-clockwise direction. This tool are perform this type of the figure like this. So this figure are generally used for to set the Allen key bolt. So this type of the process are used for when two bodies are moved over to each other. When two bodies are moved over to each other without any fault. So the counter boring process are performed on a drilling machine. Last is spot facing. The spot facing means this is a machine part. This is the excess material. So how to remove this material? The material can be removed by the milling and can be removed by the use of a lathe machine, and also this area is finishing by the facing tool on a drilling machine. This is the extent material. This is called the extent piece. This is called the pilot, guide. When this type of this guide, the main function of this pilot are used to guide the cutting tool and maintain the alignment during this process. The tool is moving in an anti-clockwise direction to make the flat surface, to make this finishing. This is the spot facing process. So the different type of the operation can be done on a drilling machine, and these are the operation on drilling machine can be done drilling, reaming, countersinking, tapping, counter boring, and spot facing. So I hope that you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.